Good morning, everyone. My name is Arjun Dilip and I work as a team leader in this project. Today, I am excited to present on our topic Soul Biotech Sports String Data Analysis, and this project is submitted by Group 4. To give you an overview, we will start by table of content. Here we have description of the client and project, followed by project status, requirement phase, design phase, development phase, challenges and solutions, and project cost. About this project, Soul Biotech expansion into the Canadian sports drink market. Overview. Soul Biotech, originally named MySpray Therapeutics, was founded in 2012. The company specializes in natural health products and has achieved approval for 9 of its products from Health Canada. These products are marketed under different brands, including MySpray Therapeutics, MyShrooms, MyPain, and Liniment. Expansion goals. Now, the company is planning to enter the Canadian sports drink market. To do this successfully, they need to ensure their drink meet all regulatory requirements, while also finding the right pricing and marketing strategies to appeal to consumers. Market Analysis Project. This project focuses on analyzing trends in the sports drink market and understanding consumer preferences. Next, using web scraping to gather data on products, customer reviews, and pricing from various sources. Ensuring that the ingredients in their sports drink comply with legal standards in Canada. This is our team members and their roles. Myself, Arjun Dilip Chingorath. I am the team leader of this group, followed by Aju Jose, data analyst, and Jaren Matthew, developer, Arshadip Singh, data analyst. Project status. Project name, Soul Biotech Sports Drink Data Analysis. Date of report 15th October 2024. Date of last report 8 October 2024. Prepared by team members. Project status, it's on track. This is a screenshot of our SharePoint of MRP high level task. Here we are in our development phase and our project is on track. Now I would like to hand over the presentation to my colleague Jaren Matthew.
Thank you, Arjun. Let's begin with the requirement phase of the project. During this phase, our main goal was to fully understand what the client needs and the scope of the project. Soul Biotech is looking to expand in the Canadian sports drink market, and they needed a detailed analysis of market trends, consumer preference, and competitive products. So for that purpose, we established a clear project proposal and charter that would guide us through this phase and beyond, ensuring that we have stayed aligned with the client's expansion goal. Um, um, Next, we move on to the design phase, um, where we laid the groundwork for the data collection and preparation. So the design phase is divided into three parts, like the data collection, web scraping, and data cleaning. Um, so in our case, we don't have any data sets from the client side, or in any data set was available. There was no data set available on the internet as well. So our team our team utilized the web scraping to gather the data for the top 10 sports drink in the Canadian market. And this included the product reviews, ingredients, and sales data. So, um, so through web scraping, we were able to create a dataset that was both comprehensive and relevant to the client's need. Um, and third step was data cleaning. So once the data was collected, we move on to the cleaning phase. The data cleaning phase involves um, removing any inconsistencies, duplicates, or any irrelevant information to ensure the data was suitable for analysis. So and so these are the codes for the web scraping that we have done. Um, I can show you in the Jupyter notebook. Yeah. So for the web scraping, we have utilized the libraries like Beautiful Soup, Request, Pandas, and NumPy. These are the definitions of the titles of our datasets: the title, price, rating, review counts, availability. So here is a link to the Amazon sponsoring web page of the Amazon. And see here we have created a data frame, and now we have saved the data frame to a CSV file. And here is the overview of the dataset that we have created. So that's how the dataset was created using the web scraping. Now we move on to the data cleaning. I can show you the data cleaning in the Jupyter notebook. So here is how we handle the missing data. We replace the missing data with uh, not available. We replace the missing values in other columns with unknown, and we have removed the duplicates. And we have done performed some conversions like in our dataset there were some values in milliliter, so we have converted the milliliter to liter. So this is how we cleanse the data, and here's the overview of the cleansed data. Now the development phase will be covered by my colleague Aju.
Thank you, Jorin. I am Aju Jose. I work as a data analyst on this project. And here we have found the top 10 most common ingredients. And here we use the bar plot diagram to show the topmost ingredients. And it is found that citric acid is the common ingredient among all other ingredients. And taurine and sodium citrate and caffeine are the other three ingredients. So this is the Jupyter notebook that we have used to find the top 10 ingredients, and at first we have used the program to list the top 10 ingredients. So it is found the citric acid have 56 occurrence and taurine and sodium have equal occurrence. So from that data we have plotted a diagram which shows the top 10 ingredients, and the same method we have used to plot the top 10 specialties among the products. So here are the top most common specialties. The first one, the topmost one is sugar free, and then low calorie, vegan, and gluten free. And here is the barcode that we have plotted using matplot library. And the sugar free drinks are most common and most popular among people. And low calorie, vegan, and gluten free are the topmost four specialties among drinks. And here is the plot of the topmost common specialties that we discussed earlier. And here is the other diagram which shows the scattered plot that's showing the price per liter among sales per month. So we have done this scattered plot to understand where most of the sales takes place and at what price range most of the sales takes place. And it is found that from 0 to 20, in between 0 to $20, the most of the products comes. So the competition among drinks takes place in a lower price, and we have used the scattered plot for showing this diagram. And here is a Jupyter notebook that we have used to draw the scattered plot. So we have used the scattered plot diagram to show the price per liter and the sales per month. And the next diagram we have plotted is the distribution of product rating. and we have used the histogram for showing the product rating, and it is found that most of the product comes in between 4 to 5 rating. So majority of the products have a good rating, and here we added that histogram on our presentation. And on the next, as a development phase, we have done the basic statistics on price and sales for a better understanding among the products, and we have exported two Excel files which showing the top 10 products and their ingredients based on the sales, and the top 10 products and their ingredients based on the reviews. And here is the screenshot of the top 10 products based on the review and their ingredients, and here is the top 10 products based on the sales per month including their ingredients. It will give a good understanding of what are the top 10 products and their ingredients. Now I will hand over the slides to my colleague Ashdeep Singh.
Yeah. Thank you, Aju. I am Ashdeep. I work as a data analyst on this project. Now I define the challenges and proposed solutions. The first challenges we faced the lack of data set in the sport drink industry. So it is very difficult to find data set in this on this topic. So we split the data into two groups, and one group do the web scraping, the other one do the gathering data from website. The second problem we faced that the team couldn't find a suitable website which providing a suitable insight to the in the sport industries in Canada, which could lead to incorrect analysis from poor sources. So from this we gather data on sport drink energy from Amazon to build a reliable data set. The third problem the team faced a lack of knowledge in web scraping, in which the limited access to valuable data and affected research and decision making. To solve this problem, we learned the web scraping skills from online tutorials like from YouTube, like many other websites also. That is a very good thing. The last one is the data set we obtained the lacked essential ingredient details. Yeah, there are some sport drinks which do not mention the ingredients and their specialties also. So we get knowledge from the Amazon sites, like online search on the Amazon website. Yeah, now I define the recommendation for next phase. The project team should continue analyzing retail market sales and benchmark which is against the e-commerce platform sales. This approach will enhance the reliability of the result. The second one is the project team should prioritize developing an interactive dashboard with effective visualizations. Like the last one is all testing procedures should be documented, including the dataset used, action performed, and test results. In the last slide, I define the project cost, which consists total expected cost and actual cost. The total expected cost is $1,825. The actual cost is $1,375. Like we search on the different three phases, the requirement, design, and development. Like total expected cost is always higher than the actual cost, like in all three phases, requirement, design, and development. And the actual cost is lower in all three phases. Like this bar graph shows the a good data which we searched on the total expected cost and the actual cost. So thank you, Professor. Yeah, that is our project on the soul biotech.